is version 2.0. As you can see, this is what it looks like. I have improved on the design. As you can see, if I turn it, it moves nice and smooth now. Alright, now let's test it to see how well it works. Alright, so if I take this and we just accelerate. Now if we take a paper, how do I see? It's blowing the paper. Yep, this version is definitely way more improved. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.